Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So integral 1 plus cos square x dx by 1 plus cos 2x. Okay, we have 1 plus cos 2x formula to cos square x. Okay, we should applying that formula integral 1 plus cos square x dx by, we should write 2 cos square x. In this 1 by 2 constant, okay, so 1 plus cos square x by cos square x. This is nothing but 1 by cos square x plus cos square x by cos square x. So a plus b by c. This will be a by c plus b by c. So this can be written as 1 by cos square x plus cos square x by cos square x. Now this is going to be 1 by 2 times of integral 1 by cos square x. We have secant square x plus cos square x get cancelled 1 dx. Okay, this is going to be integral secant square x. We have tan x integral 1 dx. This value x plus. This is answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral tan x to the power 7 plus integral tan x to the power 9x dx. Okay. So integral 1 tan x to the power 7 take out common. Tan x to the power 7 take out common. This value 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So this is going to be integral tan x to the power 7. We have 1 plus tan square x from the secant square x. Secant square x. Okay. So this is in the form of integral f of x power n into f dash x dx. So what is the formula? F of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So where f of x is tan x. Derivative of tan x, we have secant square x. So this is f of x. Secant square x is f dash x. Where n value is 7. Okay. So what is the formula? F of x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So in this result, where f of x place in, we should write tan x to the power 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 plus c. So this is answer. Let us go to the next problem. So integral secant x into log of secant x plus tan x dx. Okay. So let us take log of secant x plus tan x equal to t. Because this derivative is secant x. So let us take log of secant x plus tan x equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of log function. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of log function, we have 1 by secant x plus tan x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of log of secant x plus tan x, we get 1 by secant x plus tan x into, so by using chain rule, differentiation of secant x, we have secant x tan x plus differentiation of tan x is secant square x. This is derivative secant x tan x plus differentiation of tan x is secant square x dx equal to dt. In this one secant x take out common. So secant x take out common. Remaining value tan x plus secant x dx upon secant x plus tan x equal to dt. In this tan x plus secant x get cancelled. Okay. Therefore integral, if log of secant x plus tan x is t, then secant x dx we got dt. Okay, t dt. The statement is t dt. So we have t dt value t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. This is going to be t square by 2. In the place of t, we should write log of secant x plus tan x whole square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. Okay. 1 minus, we have tan x formula sin x by cos x upon 1 plus this tan x formula is sin x by cos x. So this is going to be, let us do LCM. What is the LCM? Cos x. Cos x minus sin x by cos x. Cos x minus sin x upon cos x. This whole divided by, so denominator LCM is also cos x. Cos x plus sin x by cos x. One cos x get cancelled. Okay. So let us take cos x plus sin x equal to t. Let us take cos x plus sin x equal to t. Okay, now this derivative on both sides. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Differentiation of sin x, we have cos x dx is equal to dt. If denominator is t, then numerator will be dt. Okay, therefore integral, so write denominator t. So cos x minus sin x dx value, we have got dt. So integral dt by t, we get log t. In the place of t, we should write cos x plus sin x. This is answer. Okay, moving on, next question. So integral cos x to the power n minus 1 by sin x to the power n plus 1 dx. Okay, we have a to the power m minus n formula. A to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m by a to the power n. So in denominator a to the power m plus n, right? So a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m into a to the power n. Now cos x to the power n minus 1, this can be written as cos x to the power n by cos x. Sin x to the power n plus 1. Okay, this is going to be sin x to the power n by sin x to the power n into sin x. Okay, this will be integral cos x to the power n by sin x to the power n. Okay, this is going to be cot x to the power n dx upon cos x into sin x. Okay, in denominator divide sin x, divide and multiplied by sin x. Divide and multiplied by sin x. Okay, this is going to be integral cot x to the power n dx by cos x by sin x. We have cot x, sin x into sin x, sin square x. Okay, so cot x to the power n by cot x. Cot x to the power n by cot x to the power 1. This can be written as cot x to the power n minus 1 into 1 by sin square x. We have cosecant square x. Okay. So let us take cot x is equal to t. By substitution method, let us take cot x is equal to t. The differentiation of cot x, we get minus cosecant square x dx. Okay. Therefore, cosecant square x dx is equal to minus dt. Cosecant square x dx equal to minus dt. Therefore, this integral t to the power n minus 1 into this value, we got cosecant square x dx value minus dt. So minus 1 constant. Integral t to the power n minus 1. Okay, we have formula t to the power n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 plus 1. So 1 get cancelled. So minus 1 by n into, in the place of t, we should write cot x. So cot x to the power n. This is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Integral cosecant x dx by log of tan x by 2. Okay, so let us take log tan x by 2 equal to t. because this differentiation of log tan x by 2 is cosecant x. So let us take log of tan x by 2 equal to t. Now the differentiation on both sides with respect to x. Log of tan x by 2. Differentiation of log of tan x by 2 is 1 by tan x by 2 into differentiation of tan x by 2, okay, secant square x by 2 into differentiation of x by 2. We have 1 by 2. So x by 2 in this 1 by 2 constant, differentiation of x is 1. So, okay, by using chain rule, into dx is equal to dt. Secant 1 by tan x by 2, this is nothing but cot x by 2. We have cot x by 2 formula, cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 into secant square x by 2. This can be written as 1 by cos square x by 2 into 1 by 2 dx. Okay. Now this is going to be 1 cos x by 2 get cancelled. So let us observe in denominator 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This formula is sin x. Okay. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This formula is sin x. So equal to dt. So 1 by sin x is nothing but cosecant x. So cosecant x dx is equal to dt. So what is the statement? This is the statement, integral cosecant x dx by log of tan x by 2. Okay, now I say that if denominator is t, then numerator will be dt. Okay, dt by 2. This is going to be log t. So differentiation of integration of 1 by t. Differentiation of log t is 1 by t. So integration of 1 by t, we have log t. So log modulus of t. Log modulus of, in the place of t, we should write log tan x by 2. Log of log tan x by 2. So this is answer. Okay. Moving on, next question. Integral secant x dx by secant x plus tan x whole square. Okay. So this type of problems. So let us do divided and multiplied by secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x. So integral. So secant x into 1 secant x plus tan x multiply as well as divide. Secant x plus tan x whole square into secant x plus tan x. Okay. We have secant x into secant x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x, secant x tan x. This whole divided by secant x plus tan x whole square into secant x plus tan x is secant x plus tan x whole cube. So let us take secant x plus tan x equal to t. So let us take secant x plus tan x equal to t. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of secant x, we get secant x tan x. So differentiation of tan x, we have secant square x dx is equal to dt. If denominator is t, if secant x plus tan x is t, then numerator will be dt. Okay, this is going to be dt by t cube. Dt by t cube. This is nothing but 1 t to the power minus 3 dt. This answer is t to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. So in the place of t, we should write secant x plus tan x. So secant x plus tan x power minus 2 by minus 2 plus 6. This is answer. Okay, look at the next question. So integral e to the power tan inverse of root x by, so root x plus x into root x. Okay. So integral e to the power tan inverse of root x dx upon, in denominator one root x take out common, 1 plus x. Okay, so let us take tan inverse of root x equal to t. Okay, so by using substitution method, let us take tan inverse of root x equal to t. So now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of tan inverse of root x. We have differentiation of tan inverse x. This formula is 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so differentiation of tan inverse of root x, this is going to be 1 by 1 plus root x whole square into, so differentiation of root x. Okay, by using chain rule, differentiation of root x, we get 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. The differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Okay, this is going to be 1 by dx by 2 root x into 2 times of root x into, this is 1 plus x, root x whole square is nothing but x, 1 plus x equal to dt. Okay, so dx by a root, let us observe the statement, dx by root x into 1 plus x. So dx by root x into 1 plus x is nothing but 2 dt. Okay, 2 dt. Okay, we have got it, dx by root x into 1 plus x equal to 2 dt. Okay, in the statement, on substituting tan inverse of root x by t and dx by root x into 1 plus x by 2 dt. So e to the power t into, okay, this place in, let us write 2 dt. So 2 constant, integral e to the power t, we have e to the power t plus c. So 2 times of e to the power t, where t value right, tan inverse of root x. So this is answer. Okay, look at the next question. Integral x to the power 6 into sine of 5 into x to the power 7 dx. Okay, by using substitution method. So let us take 5x to the power 7 is equal to t. 5x to the power 7 equal to t. Okay, so now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So 5 constant, differentiation of x to the power 7 is 7 into x to the power 6. So by using x to the power n formula, so 5 7 is 35. So x to the power 6 dx is equal to dt by 5 7 is 35, dt by 35. Okay, now this is going to be integral x to the power 6 sine 5x to the power 7. Now x to the power 6. Okay, first write sine function, 5x to the power 7 place in. Okay, let us write t, x to the power 6 dx. This x to the power 6 dx value we have to got dt by 35. Okay, 1 by 35 constant, integral sin t. Integral sin t, we get minus cos t. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 35 cos. So in the place of t, we should write 5x to the power 7. So this is answer. So minus 1 by 35 into cos of 5x to the power 7 plus c. Okay, look at the next question. So integral tan x plus secant x minus 1 by tan x minus secant x plus 1. Okay, integral tan x plus secant x minus this 1. We have one formula, secant square x minus tan square x. In terms of secant tan, secant square x minus tan square x. Okay, right, secant square x minus tan square x is nothing but secant x minus tan x into secant x plus tan x. Okay, this is in the form of a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, this one can be written as secant x minus tan x into secant x plus tan x. This whole divided by tan x minus secant x plus 1. Okay. So let us observe in numerator. In numerator, 1 tan x plus secant x take out common. 1 tan x plus secant x. 1 tan x plus secant x take out common. So tan x plus secant x into in this 1 minus secant x minus. So 1 minus secant x. So minus into minus plus tan x. Okay, this whole divided by tan x minus secant x plus 1. These are both equal. 1 minus secant x plus tan x minus secant x plus 1. Okay, both are equal. So get cancelled. So what is the integral? We have tan x plus secant x dx. So integral tan x dx plus integral secant x dx. So integral tan x, we have log secant x. Integral secant x is log mod secant x plus tan x. Okay, we have log a plus log b formula. Log ab. So log of secant x into secant x plus tan x. So this is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So integral 1 plus 5x plus 10x square plus 10x cube plus 5x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5 dx. Okay, so this is the in the form of integral 1 plus x to the power 5. So 1 plus x to the power 5 binomial expansion this is. So we have 1 plus x to the power 5 integration 1 plus x to the power 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 plus 6. This is the answer. Okay. So we have 1 plus x to the power 5 equal to 5c0 plus 5c1 into x plus 5c2 into x square plus 5c3 into x cube plus 5c4 into x to the power 4 plus 5c5 x to the power 5. This is the binomial expansion where 5c0 value 1. So 1 plus 5c1 value 5. 5x, 1 plus 5x, this value 10, 10x square, 10x cube, 5c3 value 10, 5c4 value 5, 5x to the power 4, 1x to the power 5. Let us go to the next problem. Integral root tan x dx by sin 2x. Okay. So integral root tan x upon sin 2x formula, we have 2 sin x cos x. Okay, 1 cos x divide and multiply. So 1 by 2 constant integral root tan x upon sin x by cos x, we get tan x. 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x. Okay, so 1 by 2 times of integral secant square x dx upon, so root tan x by tan x, this is going to be root tan x. One root value get cancelled. Okay, we have one formula integral f dash x dx by root f of x. We have formula 2 root f of x plus c. Okay, so let us take tan x is f of x, then secant square x dx is f dash x. This is f of x, this is f dash x. Okay, so we should apply this formula 1 by 2 times of, so see f dash integral f dash x dx by root f of x. What is the formula? 2 root f of x. 2 into root f of x. Where f of x place in, we should write tan x. So what is the answer? Root tan x. Okay, moving on, next question. So integral sin x plus cos x dx by root under 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, we have root under 1 plus sin 2x formula. So root under this 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x. Okay, we have cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x. This is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, where a place in right cos x, b place in sin x whole square. Root square get cancelled. Okay, therefore integral sin x plus cos x dx upon, so root under 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, this value we have cos x plus sin x. So cos x plus sin x get cancelled. 1 dx, integral 1 dx value x plus c. Let us go to the next problem. So integral dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Okay, let us observe one point. In this denominator having sin square x and cos square x. So what is the working rule? Okay, let us divide either cos square x or sin square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Numerator as well as denominator. So integral dx by cos square x upon a square sin square x by cos square x plus b square cos square x by cos square x. In this one cos square x get cancelled. 1 by cos square x we have secant square x upon a square. This is sin square by cos square is tan square x. This is a tan x whole square plus b square. So let us take a tan x is equal to t. A tan x equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides. A into differentiation of tan x, we get secant square x dx equal to dt. Therefore secant square x dx is equal to dt by a. If a tan x is t, then secant square x dx is dt by a. Okay. Therefore integral secant square x dx place in, we should write dt by a times of t square plus b square. Okay, t square plus b square, 1 by a constant. Okay, we have one formula, integral dt by t square plus b square, 1 by b tan inverse of t by b. So 1 by constant, 1 by b tan inverse of t by b. Okay, what is the answer? 1 by ab. So tan inverse of, in the place of t, we should write a tan x. A tan x by b plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral x cos x square whole cube into sin x square dx. Okay. Let us take cos x square is equal to t. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of cos x square, we have minus sin x square into differentiation of x square 2x dx equal to dt. Okay, in the statement x sin x square. Okay, so x sin x square, we need x sin x square dx value dt by minus 2. Okay, integral cos x square, this place in, let us take t cube, x sin x square dx, x sin x square dx, we have got dt by minus 2. Okay, minus 1 by 2 constant, integral t cube, t to the power 4 by 4 plus c. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 8, 2 4 is 8. In the place of t, we should write cos x square power 4. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next class.